Good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
How are you?
We're fine.
How was your day?
Good.
Honey, that's nice to hear. Before we will begin our discussion, can we stand for our prayer? Mr. Mary, can you lead the prayer? Amen. You may now take your seats. Once again, good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
Who are absent this morning?
None.
Amazing. Amazing. That means we can immediately continue with our class this morning. Are you excited, class?
Yes, ma'am.
But before we will continue, let us have our classroom rules that we have to follow within our discussion. Everyone, kindly read.
Listen attentively,
Act
act responsibly, be respectful, ask politely, and never give up.
Is it understood, class?
Yes, ma'am.
Before going to our new lesson, what was our topic last meeting? Anyone? Jane,
It was all about factorial.
what is factorial?
Factorial is the product of all positive integers less than or equal to a particular positive integer, which is usually denoted by the positive integer itself and an exclamation point.
Very well said. Kindly give Jane a hand. Do you want to start our lesson with a game?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. So this game is called 4 Picks, 1 Word. You will be grouped into 2 groups. This will be the group 1 and this will be group 2. You will be given 2 pictures in each group and you will going to arrange each letter to form 1 word. Remember that some letters are useless or just simply distraction. You will be given 3 minutes to answer each question and it will be shown on the screen. You will be guided on these criteria. Your timer starts now. Remember that the last item, or the number 4, is a word that will complete the phrase of our lesson this morning. Paste your answers on the board. Okay, let us check your answer. Number 1, as you can see in the picture, it is
Nice.
Very good. Number 2,
Arrangement.
very good. Number 3,
sequence,
And number 4,
permutations.
So on the last item, who can guess what will be our topic this morning? Alcazar.
I think from the last answer of the game, our topic today is all about permutation.
Permutations, you have an idea? What is our topic?
I think our topic for today is about solving problems involving linear permutation.
Very good. So our topic this morning is all about solving problems involving linear permutation. But before we will continue, let us have our objectives that we have to attain at the end of the lesson. Everyone, can you read?
At the end of the lesson, the students will be able to attain at least 25% level of accuracy. Solve problems involving linear permutation. Demonstrate understanding of the basic concepts of solving problems involving linear permutations. Perform activities involving linear permutations. And show appreciation of the importance of linear permutations.
Do you have any questions about our objectives?
None.
Okay. What is linear permutation?
Linear permutation and ordered arrangement of objects in a line.
So we have here the two rules. The first rule is
The number of permutations of n distinct objects taken all at once is denoted by NPN and defined as NPN equals N factorial.
very good. The rule number 2,
The number of permutations of n distinct objects taken R at a time is defined as NER equals N factorial over N minus R factorial.
very good. So we have here examples. Number 1,
5 scientists participated in the regional bicycle race. In how many ways can the participants be ranked from first to fifth place after the competition?
so we have here our solution. 5p5 is equal to 5 factorial. So 5 factorial is equal to 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1 is equal to 120 ways. So 120 ways can participants be ranked from first to fifth place after the competition. Example number 2.
5 cyclists participated in the regional bicycle race. If only the top 3 finalists can move to the national cycling finals, in how many different ways can the first, second, and third ranks be rewarded?
So we have here our solution. Where did we get the 5? It is the
Number of cyclists who participated in the
and the 3 is
the
the number of ways. So we have here our solution. 5p3 is equal to 5 factorial over 5 minus 3 factorial. So 5 factorial is equal to 120 divided by 2 is equal to
60 ways.
Very good. So, did you understand our discussion class?
Yes, ma'am.
So, we will continue with our group activity. So, the same group as earlier, you will be given these questions. Kindly get one whole sheet of paper and answer it like clearly. You will be guided with this criteria. And you will be given 3 minutes to answer this question. Kindly get your phone so that you can take a picture of your questions. Can you please write your answer on the board so we can check if it's correct? Okay, let us check your work. For group 1, your problem is, during their activity in MAPE, students form a group with 10 members. They need to choose a leader, secretary, and a reporter. How many different ways can each group fill these 3 positions? So we have here 10, which is a group of students. And the leaders minus the ways of choosing, they need to choose. So we have here 10 factorial over 10 minus 3 factorial. 10 minus 3 is equal to 7 factorial. So here cancel out. 10 times 9 times 8 is equal to 720 ways. So 720 different ways can each group fill the 3 positions. Is this correct? Very good. Number 2, your problem is 12 students joined the sack race during Foundation Day of San Jose National High School. In how many ways can we select the first and second placers of the race? So we have here 12 students who joined the race, and we have here 2 first and second placers. So we have here 12 factorial, which is 12 times 11 times 10, and 10 minus 2 factorial is equal to 10. 12 times 11 is equal to 120 ways. So 120 ways can the first and second placers of the race. Do you have any questions regarding with the lesson? So you did a great job, and I know that you have already understand. We will have our quiz. Kindly get your phone as the questions will be sent on your group chat. You will write your answers on a 1/4 sheet of paper. You have 1 minute left. What number are you?
Two.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Pass your papers, class. Pass it to the center aisle. Okay, class, for your assignment, kindly read.
Browse online for more word problems involving linear permutations. In a one-half sheet of paper, create 2 real-life world problems involving linear permutations. Provide a complete solution for each problem and send your answers on the group chat.
So your answer will be pictures and you will send it on the group chat. Is it understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you for your participation and God bless. That will be all and class is dismissed.